I'll show you how you can download APK files on iPhones. So it's not that simple because APK files are coded with Java and or Kotlin. Meanwhile, iPhone runs on Swift. So it's pretty much different, right? It's like you're trying to put a different kind of gasoline into a different kind of car. It'll just break it, right? So it's not going to work. What iPhone runs off is a file called IPA. So it's an IPA file. But even though if you have an IPA file here, and you need to be decrypted, by the way, there's no simple install option like you do on Android. Apple does this to prevent viruses and other breaches to their system, so it's more safe. Although that does make installing apps much more harder because you do need to do it from your app store, right? So as of right now, there's only one way you can sideload things, right? And you can sideload games. And you can sideload games through a thing called emulator. And right now on your app store, there is one emulator that's free. It's called Delta, right? There's Delta, so you can find Delta here. So just search up Delta like this. And then on Delta, you can install this. So this is a game emulator, right? There's also other game emulators you can try that's free as well, like BBSP. That's free, but it's only PSP games. So if you go to Delta and you go to open, you can add files here. You can add files here. And then you can go to your on my iPhone and you can go to Firefox and then on downloads. And then you can add games here, right? So for example, I want to add Metroid Zero, one of my favorite games. You can add it right there. And then you can play it like this, right? So you can get Metroid Zero like this. But if you want to install specifically apps and IPA apps, you will have to go to YouTube and then you'll have to learn how to sideload apps. And that's usually a very complex process because that requires hacking, or so to say. You need to modify your iPhone and then you need to tamper with it. And sometimes that could void your warranty as well. So if you know what you're doing, I highly implore you to be educated about it. It's a pretty cool thing to do, sideloading app on iPhone. Not a lot of people can do that, but I do want you to be aware of the risk that comes along with it as well.